What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some gumbo, and it's going to be yumbo. So let's go. Come on, baby. That's right, baby. Gumbo, a hot Creole dish that'll be on everybody's wish list for a tasty dinner. Especially on a day like today where here in Missouri it's -2 degrees, baby. Boo! I need something hot to warm me back up. Now, we went ahead and got this water boiling. What you want to do, excuse me, beer, is get a big old pot and you want to fill it about 3/4 full with water. Get it boiling, and you know what they say, a watch pot never boils, baby. So we went ahead, and while this water was boiling, we went ahead and over here on the cutting board cut up our sausage and our green peppers, baby. So we're ready to roll. We also went ahead and got our shrimp peeled, baby. Now this shrimp that I've got with the tail on here, let me see if I can find, I left one tail on so I can show you this. Real easy to do, baby. All you gotta do is grab that old tail and just pinch right here. Just like that. That tail slides right off. You can throw it away because you don't want to eat that. You don't want that in your crawl, baby, when you got it. Now, this old water is pretty hot, so what we're going to do is start with the thing that needs to cook the longest, which will be the sausage. Now the sausage today is kielbasa sausage, baby. Got about a pound of it, and it is pre-cooked, so basically we're just heating it up. And you know, shrimp doesn't take that long to warm up, and the vegetables about the same deal, baby. So we're going to be rocking and rolling damn quick, and I like that, baby. Quick, easy, and out of the way. So we've got our sausage here. Let's go ahead and drop it in that water, baby. Ooh, yes. Now, next thing that we'll do is take our shrimp and put that in there too. That shrimp, baby. Now you can use chicken if you got it laying around. You can use some pork chops if you got them left over. Man, that's the great thing about gumbo is you can pretty much make it any way that you want to. And I encourage you to do something different. You know, what I'm showing you today is kind of the basis of the whole thing. So I encourage you to make a little difference too. Try something different. Put something that I'm not saying in there. See how it turns out and let me know, baby, because I'm going to be excited to see it. Now, we've got the shrimp in, we've got the sausage in. Let's go ahead and get the green peppers in, baby. Yes, these green peppers I kind of left chunked up pretty big here, about that size there, if you can see that. And we're going to drop them in there too. It's already looking good, baby. Next thing we're going to do is take our diced tomatoes. Now these diced tomatoes I've got have green chilies in them too. A little more spice, baby. I'm gonna try to make mine extra spicy tonight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Pour that in there. And go ahead and get your second can and dump her right in there too. Next, the corn, baby. Good gumbos always got corn. Whether it's on the cob, off the cob, in the can, out the can, from the garden, or from the stove. You got to put the corn in the gumbo. Sir, let me tell you. Take the first can and dump it right in. Grab your second can and put it in there with everything else. Beautiful, baby. Now, next thing we're going to do is some rice. Now, this is going to become controversial with some people that watch my show that are actually, you know, professional chefs, so you might know what you're doing or something like that. And not to say I don't know what I'm doing, well, I'm just kind of lazy and I ain't got time to boil no damn rice. So what I've done is get this Uncle Ben's, and this is microwavable rice. What you got to do is you just break it up and put it in the microwave and it cooks. But we don't need the microwave today because this water is hot, baby. Just like me. So, this is Spanish style rice, and like I said again, everybody gonna be saying, Black Iowa, you're not using white rice, you didn't make homemade rice. Boy, you wanna come to my house and make my rice for me, you go ahead. But I ain't got the time, and I ain't got the patience, baby. And this Spanish rice also has tomatoes and peppers in it too, so we'll take all the help we can get. Uncle Ben, I thank you. Now, we'll crack this open and put that rice right down in there, baby. Add that last bag. And then, last but not least, absolutely not least, because this is the key that opens the door to the magical gumbo, baby. Yeah, Old Bay seasoning. Now, this is for seafood, poultry, salads, and meats. Same great taste for over 75 years, and let me tell you, great every time I've had it. I've actually had this for a little bit, been using it off and on just about everything I can find. So what we'll do today, we've got about a half of this little container here. And what we're going to do to start is we'll just use half of the half, because you don't want to use a whole lot. I mean, you want to use a good amount to get that water and get that flavor. But if you use too much, boy, it's going to be so damn hot you're not going to be able to eat it. And we're also going to be putting in some of this Creole seasoning. And I'll be putting a little hot sauce on mine at the very end, just my bowl. I like it hot, but you know, not everybody wants it that hot. So you just want to kind of put a little bit in there at a time and taste, baby. You got to taste while you cook, because how else do you know if it's good coming out? Got the Old Bay in there. Let's add the Creole, baby. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. That's enough for now. Like I say, we'll taste as we go. Now we've got everything in there, boiling good. We're gonna let this go, still boiling, about on high. Well, not about on high, I mean on high. It's gotta be on high to boil, don't it? Damn! What am I thinking? Let it boil about 20 minutes or so. We'll come back and check it, see how everything's doing, and we'll probably be ready for me to have a bite. And you know, I'm ready for that tonight, because it's cold, cold, cold out there. Come on, baby. Alright, Bubba Gump. It looks like our gumbo is just about done. It's been about 20 minutes, and I've been stirring and adding a little seasoning here and there, tasting here and there, just to make sure everything's right. And I got to tell you, boy, it looks like we're going to have a gumbo delight tonight. So let's get us a bowl. Let's take a minute and just look at this beautiful gumbo, and then we're going to have a big old bite just for us, baby. Alright, baby, the time has come. The gumbo is done, and I'm having the first bite for Big Papa. Now, before I have a bite, I'm going to add a little sauce, baby, because the sauce is the boss. And today, I'm using Weary's Original Pepper Sauce. This is blended with using blended using the finest Guyanese Weary peppers. Now these boys here are out of Canada, baby, Ontario, Toronto, Canada. But don't let that fool you, because they bring in the heat, boy. This is some of the best sauce I've had in a while. I'm going to put the link to their website down in my bio. I want y'all to check them out and grab a bottle for yourself, because it's good stuff. Now they may have to ask a little bit more for the shipping, because they're up there in the Great White North, but it's worth every penny. Let me tell you, like I said, some of the best sauce I've had in a while. It's definitely got some kick to it, but sweet, baby, real good flavor. So, a little dab of that, and now I'm ready for my bite. Ooh. Ooh. That is hot, baby. But in the best way. When it's cold outside like it is today, oh, something like that will just warm you all up, baby. I feel better already. Feel like I'm sitting by a cozy fire. Fire and desire. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time, baby.